So you really send my man message. I tell him say if you be careful of me because I'm not who I say I am.
So he came to you with the message?
You never expect him to come to me.
Well, I was trying to protect him from any deep, dark secrets you might have had. But obviously you have him all locked in.
What you mean I have him locked in?
He's so caught up in whatever it is that you are selling him, you, overall. He's not prepared to see this facade that you're playing him with.
My girl, I said it bitter. Iswa, you know what's the crime happy if I'm with you?
On the contrary, my dear, I actually want to see him happy. That's why I'm so set on finding out whatever it is that you have hiding.
Oh, so I try dig down in my life to find some kind of secret to tell Karim.
And who told you I have not already found out stuff about you?
You not find out shit as you would have tell Karim. But me I warn you, love me, cause me not in your way.
Tonian, you've been in my way since you came into Karim's life.
Tiffany, no you say you have somebody in your life. Where you want Karim, you should have over him already.
Please, I'm over Karim where a relationship is concerned. But he's still my friend, and I'm going to look out for his best interests. Whatever it takes.
It would be your best interest to stay away from me and him.
I've come to realize that you love to issue idle threats. But if you get to know who I am, you realize I don't scare easily.
Him some mood of worry about that.
Me not understand you.
Shut down.
Children. So, we are say, you gonna get it free then?
Something like that.
It means something like, me not understand this, B. So that means him gonna pay a fee then?
Me no know. It just wouldn't come out of my pocket.
Yo, easy man. Let me tell you this. You not do enough research, yeah, that me I tell you. Me with social funds.
Source funds for what?
You mean social funds, so you don't worry about that. Me will deal with it. That me I tell you.
But I worry, because you don't have them kind of funds to put down.
So what you do? You try to refuse my assistance then?
And at that, I worry. Come now when you go out here if you get the funds for do something we can get free.
Not free. Especially for a man we are pre certain way. How that I go look if a next man be there and a next man I foot the bill?
Him no must spend the money to feed my pocket, you know. Him no must open feed money and spend the money.
So what am I do?
Maybe him have some links or something.
Links?
So you behave so far?
Pretty. More hear those meds. Those meds for once. Listen what me say. You feel like something may cost 250k. You are gonna just get it free with no strings attached. Why you stop more like Europe? Yeah, more like see that, you know.
Don't call me an idiot, children. Man is a doctor and I'm in the system. So see me can get it free? We don't need to worry about that. Me I gotta take it free.
You find strength, so you can get up now. You know, say you're not better than something for real. Really, me know why you're ramping me now. That make me tired. Yo, you see?
You love walk. Eh? We going down that road again?
What you mean? What you expect me to feel? First, it's man tell us if do surgery when you never want to do. Now you want to convince yourself. Him a go do it free? Me not gonna say nothing, you know, because I know what I mean. I have no whatever problem in idea, isn't it?
Me and you won't have any problem. All I see is a good person, a good doctor, helping his patient in need.
Yeah, good doctor. Like how you are pretty it up.
You know something get me more relieved? So I get this done, so I go come out of pain. Pain where you put me in a Sheldon.